Eligible voters in Tura have cast their vote in respective polling stations. People stand queued since early morning to choose their leader. Chief Minister Conrad Sangm cast his vote at Walbagre LP School Tura for 51 South Tura Assembly constituency. While speaking to the media person after casting his vote, the Chief Minister said that he is happy to see that many people have come out in large numbers to vote. He also said that he had not seen in the past this much turnout. This is a good sign for democracy.
We are getting good response from everywhere. We are seeing that people have come out, are coming out in large numbers to vote. Even in South Tura constituency, we have not seen this kind of turnout in the past. So it's a good sign. It's good for democracy, and we are happy to see that people are coming out and casting their vote in this election.
In West Jaintia Hills district, the vote